To properly transport your Sportsman XP 1000S, follow these steps. Warning: ensure your trailer and tie-down straps are properly rated for your vehicle weight. Follow all warnings and precautions listed by the manufacturers. Failure to do so may cause serious injury or death. Ensure your trailer is clean and free of any major debris. Safely drive the vehicle onto the trailer. Always practice safe riding by wearing the required safety gear. Reference your owner's manual for proper riding equipment. Warning: do not transport the vehicle in a reverse direction on the trailer. Place the vehicle in park and verify the park position is displayed in the gauge. Lock the parking brake and ensure the vehicle does not roll. Turn the engine off and remove the key to prevent loss during transport. Verify all accessories are properly secured if equipped. Verify the front storage compartment is secured. Secure the fuel cap and verify the seat is properly latched. Before securing the vehicle to the trailer, inspect the tie-down straps for cuts, wear, fraying, dirt, debris, or stiffness. Starting at the front of the vehicle, attach the tie-down straps to the designated tie-down point. Then attach the straps to the trailer and adjust as necessary. Caution: do not attach the tie straps to the front control arm bolt pockets, racks, or handlebars. Move to the rear of the vehicle and attach the tie-down straps to the designated tie-down point. Then attach the straps to the trailer and adjust as necessary. Evenly tighten the tie-down straps until the suspension begins to compress. Secure any extra length of the tie-down straps. Verify all tie-downs are tight and secure. Prepare your trailer for safe travel. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.